Next problem, find the angle between the two diagonals of a cube. Again, we can draw the cube. Both are related to cube only. Joining of the vertices. Is x-axis. This is y-axis. It is z-axis. Okay. It is origin 0, 0, 0. P, Q, R, S, A, B, C. A is 0, A comma 0, 0. S is in xz plane, A comma 0 comma A. C on z axis 0 comma 0 comma A. P is in xy plane, A comma A comma A. Q is in xy plane, A comma A comma. It is P in xyz plane, Q is xy plane, A comma 0. R is in yz plane, 0 comma A. Okay. Here first we can take the cube. Cube is along axis OA, OB, OC are the vectors. First we can consider a cube of side small a and coordinate axis along OA, OB and OC passing through the origin O as shown in the figure. The coordinate of vertices O equal to 0, 0, 0, A equal to A comma 0 comma 0, B equal to 0 comma A comma 0, C equal to 0 comma 0 comma A, P equal to A comma A comma A, Q equal to A comma 0, R equal to 0 comma A, and S equal to A comma 0 comma A. These are the vertices. Next, we can take the direction cosines. Consider a ray with direction cosines L comma M comma N. It satisfies the relation L square plus N square plus N square equal to 1. When those are direction cosines means it should satisfy. This ray is making an angles alpha, beta, gamma and delta with the 4 diagonals. Four diagonals means this is one diagonal, CQ is one diagonal, AR is one diagonal, BS is one diagonal. Okay. Here 4 diagonals. What are the diagonals? OP, CQ, AR and BS respectively. Next, we can take the direction ratios of the diagonals. The direction ratios of diagonal. One is OP, means P is A comma 0, A minus 0, comma A minus 0, comma A minus 0. That is A comma A only. Why? Because O is the origin. And take one more diagonal, direction ratios. The direction ratios of another diagonal, we can take the CQ. C is the 0, 0, A with negative. Q is in XY plane. A minus 0, comma A minus 0, comma 0 minus A. It is equal to A comma minus A. Next, we can find out the angle in between of two diagonals, means let theta be the angle between the diagonals OP and CQ having direction ratios A comma A and A comma minus A respectively. Then the angle between the two direction ratios, the angle is theta, means cos theta equal to A into A plus A into A plus A into minus A by under root of A square plus A square plus A square under root of A square plus A square plus of minus A whole square. It is A square plus A square minus A square by root 3A square under root 3A square. One A square cancel, A square by A root 3 into A root 3. 1A cancel. Then cos theta equal to 1 by 3. Theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by 3. It is the angle in between of the two diagonals of a cube.